Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. If you are having trouble sending comments on Instagram stories, I will guide you through the steps to fix it. So now let's get started. First, you will need to ensure you have a stable internet connection. Now if your comments aren't sending, it could be due to weak Wi-Fi or mobile data. Switch networks or restart your router. And next, check for any updates. Sometimes bugs causing issues like this can be resolved by updating the latest version of Instagram. So go to the App Store and install any available updates. But if the problem still persists, clear your app cache on your phone. You will need to go to Settings, find Instagram, and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing the issue. And that is how you fix Instagram story comments not sending. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.